Okay.
We're here at the Days Inn near DFW Airport, and look what happened to these elevators. What happened to these US elevators?
They are modded.
They got modernized.
Wow.
Y-U-C-K. Yuck.
Are these scenic or no?
No, they're not scenic.
Okay.
I was hoping these would still be original.
Well, I can always watch your video. Are the cabs original still, or they get redone? So I'm guessing this was the cabs were redone too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. And that's the original fornicator up there.
Oh, I see it. Let's switch sides. Go to 1 and get off at 3.
Yep.
Car number 2.
Yeah, there's 2 elevators here.
Nice. Oh wow, look at those old US style doors.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.